Okay, hello everyone. In this video we will going to learn how to solve business mathematics and business statistics questions. Okay, these are the 10 questions which we are going to solve in this video CD. So let's begin with the question number 1. Read the question carefully. The mean of 15 observation is 40. The mean of first 8 observation is 36 and the mean of last 8 observation is 42. What is the value of 8th observation? Here it is asked that we have to find for the 8th observations. Okay, so let's begin. As we know that the formula for calculating mean is summation x upon number of observation. We know it very well. So here from this we will calculate sum of all observations that given to us like this, 15 into 40, it is 600, and sum of first 8 observation क्या हो जाएगा? First 8 observations, it will be 36 into 8 is equals to 228. Now last 8 observations के लिए this is 42 into 8. This is 336. Now you can see that we have to find the value for value of eighth observation. So देखो इसमें क्या था, फर्स्ट 8 ऐड हुई, लास्ट 8 ऐड हुई, तो क्या हुआ, 8 जो 8th टर्म थी वो डबल काउंट हुई है. तो डबल काउंट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इसको 1 को हटाना पड़ेगा और हमको पता है टोटल वाली ही है. तो अगर हम इन दोनों के सम में से ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन का सम माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे को 8th ऑब्जर्वेशन पता चल जाएगी. सो लाइक 228 plus 336 minus 600. So here comes the 8th observation. The value for the 8th observation is 24. Now the second question is a matrix question. So a is equals to this, b this. We know that this is given ab is equals to ba, and we have to find for the value of a and b. So second question, AB is equals to BA given to us. So we will write A की value is 2314 and B 1, A, B 5, again so these are in multiple format, means we have to multiply these matrices. So firstly you need to learn that how to multiply the matrices. So I am telling, take this and like this, the horizontal and vertical we are going to multiply like that. 2 ones are 2 and 3 into b plus 3b. And now again for this value, this horizontal line and this vertical, 2 into a 2a plus 5 into 3 15. Now for this horizontal row and this vertical columns, 1 into 1 1 plus 4b, 1a plus 20, तो मतलब a plus 20. And again for this also, a into 2 plus a, this 3 plus 4b, b into 2 plus 5, 3b plus 20. So these are equal. As we know that the matrices are equal, so in this case we are going to compare the corresponding elements. Okay, so now compare. You can see here it is B and B, means with the same corresponding elements, and easily we can calculate the value for B if we're going to compare these two. So from here, if I say 1 plus 4B is equals to 2B plus 5, 4. So this is the value for B. Now if we are going to compare for A, so 2A plus 15 is equal to 3 plus 4A, because we are comparing the corresponding elements. So the value for A is 6 and the value for B is 2. Now move on to the third question. The arithmetic mean of 7 observations is 100 and that of 5 is 70. The combined mean of all the 12 observations क्या हो जाएगा? That we have to calculate in this question series. So the formula for combined mean is, I'm writing x, this is the third question, 1, 2, for number of observation in the first and the mean for the first, number of observation in the second, mean of the second, upon number of sum of the observation in first and 2. This is the formula to calculate combined mean. So now let's see number of observation from the first. The arithmetic mean of 7 observations. So it is saying this is n1, so this will be 7. Mean is given to us 100. Number of observation in the second is 5 and the mean is 70. This is n2, n1 and n2. Now this is, now we are solving this through the calculator. 700 plus 350 is equals to divided by 12, and the answer is 87.5. So the answer for this question is 87.5. So the fourth question is find the value of W if this is given to us. As we know that if the matrices are given to us equal, then we can compare the corresponding elements. But in this case we have to solve and come in that format so that we can compare the corresponding elements. Okay, so this is given to us 3z y z w is equals to x minus 1 6 2w plus 4z plus w z plus y 3. So we can add this like x plus 4 minus 1 plus z plus w 6 plus z plus y 2w plus 3, and we can multiply 3 . So this is, now what can we do is comparing the corresponding elements because the matrices are equal. So we have to see that which element we should compare so that our answer come quickly. because we can make it more complex by comparing the equations. Okay, so from this element and this its corresponding element, we can compare easily the value for W. So 3W is equals to 2W plus 3, 3W minus 2W is equals to 3, and W is equals to 3. So here comes the value for W. Okay, got it. Now the fifth question. Fifth question is just 1 mark question, like if the order of matrix A is M into P and order of B is P into N, then the order for AB. देखो, this is in multiple form, AB. So AB क्या है? A के लिए हमको दे रखा है M into P, M into P, and for B we have P into N. So the order they are asking for, so how will you make the order? Order is by this element and this element. So the order for AB matrices is this and this, means this will be the order. For suppose if I'm saying A matrices are of order 2 into 2 and B matrices are of 2 into 3, so in that case the order will be 2 into 3, this and this. Got it? I'll read the sixth question. The variance of 5 number is 10. If each number is divided by 2, then the variance of new number. For this question, firstly we should remember or learn the formula for variance. So this is sixth question. So the variance is equals to summation x I upon n. This is me. Okay, we have seen that this is the formula for variance. So variance is given, here is 10 for the 5 numbers. So 10, we'll write it simply as it is. So here we can see 10 into 5 is 50. We can multiply them. Okay, now the condition in the question, if each number is divided by 2. So if each number is divided by 2, the new variance is equals to, we are dividing each by 2, okay. Now solve it. If I am taking 1 upon 2 common from this part and the square also, it will come out as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, and write the whole part simply. So this 1 by 4 will go in the denominator and this will become 4n. So we know the value for this, as we have already calculated, this is 50. So we are putting 50 and the 4n. We know that the number of terms are 5 given in the question itself. So we are calculating and there comes the new variance is 2.5. Seventh question is from the chapter probability. So the probability of event A is 0.3 and for event B is 0.5. Also assume the two elements are independent. This is very important, that the two elements are independent. Then we have to find out this particular value, P A stop P. Okay, as it is given to us probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.5. As the elements are independent, we can calculate the value of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B is by just multiplying the probability of two events. This is value is probability of A intersection B is 0.15. Why we have calculated this value? Just because we have to calculate the value for this, and the formula of this is this: probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. So just because of this, we have calculated the value of A intersection B. Now we'll just put simply 0.15 over probability of B is 0.3. Now the answer will be, probability of B is 0.5, sorry. So the answer is 0.3. Now the question number 8 is, the arithmetic mean of a set of 10 number is 25 if each number is first multiplied by 3 and then increased by 5. So what is the mean of new number? So firstly we'll calculate the sum of the 10 numbers. How we will calculate? 10 observations here, 10 numbers, observations. So it will be 25 into 10, as we have already discussed the formula for mean. So it will be 250. So according to the question, we have to first multiply by 3 and then increase by 5. So the new sum will be this 250. Firstly multiply by 3 and then increase by 5. We have to increase each number. So I am multiplying it with 10. So the new sum will be 800, and the new mean is equals to new sum. How will we calculate new sum or new mean? New mean is equal to summation x over n. This is the formula to calculate mean, and we have calculated the new sum. The new summation is 800 and the number of term is 10. So this will be 80. Find compound interest in rupees on 7500. This is the principal at 4% rate for 2 years compounded annually. We have to calculate compound interest. For this, firstly we have to calculate the amount. Let's discuss amount, and the formula for amount is P into 1 plus R upon 100 over time. So principal is 7500, 1 plus R, rate is 4%, and the time period is 2 years. This should be in years. So this will be, because this is 2, what we will do, 100 into 100 plus 4, 104 upon 100 as it is, and we will write the same 2 times. It is an easy way to calculate, or you can just take the LCM and then square of it. Whatever you want to do, it's your choice. 7500 into 104 over 100. 2 zeros से 2 0 cancel. 25 3s are 25 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, and now I'll take the calculator. 26 into 3 into 104. This is 8112. So this is rupees 8112. Now compound interest. How do we calculate this? Amount minus principal. So the amount we have calculated is 8112 and this is 7500, and here comes the value for compound interest is rupees 612. Now the last question for this video is to calculate the value of a determinant. So this is very important, question number 10. So a determinant. So we are going to solve with this R1 with respect to R1. So how to solve it? See, firstly this 5 and we have to hide the element respect to this. Now remaining is 4103. We will write it as it is. Now plus, then minus with the 3. Now we have to hide the 3. Here remains is 0013. Now plus minus plus 2. Now hiding, remaining is 0400. Now we just simply take the determinant. 4th is a 12, 1 minus 1 into 0 is 0. Then 300, 100. So here is 0 plus 2, 0 into 0. This will be 0, this will be 0, and 12 minus 0 is 12 into 5. This is 60. So the value for a determinant is 60. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.